Welcome to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. Myself Priscilla Asade. I am going to teach you English grammar of grade 4. Students, as we have entered in term 2. So do you remember what we have finished in term 1 last lesson of grammar? Yes, we have finished with lesson number 15, that was verb. How we have to use verb. How many types of verbs are there? So in our today's lesson, that is lesson number 16, we are going to start with tenses. Now you may be thinking, what is tenses? Okay, so I will just start with our new lesson, that is tenses. So what is our lesson name, students? Lesson number 16, present, past and future tenses. Means in tenses we can see there are three types of tenses. What are they? Yes, that is present tense, past tense and future tense. How many types of tense are there, students? There are three types of tense. What are they? Present tense, past tense and future tense. Now what are these three tense? Present tense means what? Whatever things is going on. Means now at this moment what I am doing, students? I am teaching you. Teacher teaches English grammar. That is present tense. Okay. So what is past tense? What I have taught you in the last session. Okay. That was our past tense. Now what is future tense? Means what I will teach you in the next session. That will be a future tense. In simple way, I will just tell you, present tense means today whatever we are doing. Okay, that is our present tense. Yesterday what we have done, that will be your past tense. And in future, anyone knows what we are going to be in future? What will happen in future? No. So whatever will be tomorrow, that is a future tense. So this is just an introduction of our today's lesson, that is lesson number 16, present, past and future tense. So how many types of tenses are there, students? Yes, there are three types of tenses, that are present tense, past tense and future tense. So how we have to remember? Whatever we are doing at present, whatever action we are doing at present, that is our present tense. What we did yesterday, okay, that is past tense, and what we will do next or what we are going to do tomorrow, that will be our future tense. So in this way I have introduced this lesson. Now what we are going to do, students? We will look from our grammar book. Okay, open your grammar book. Page number 53. Are you ready, students? With your grammar book, page number 53. Here we can see grammar book has been continued for the term 2. As in canopy book we can see we have used the next book, but for grammar book it is same. Okay, so this is our today's lesson, that is present, past and future tense. Ready, students, to learn about this lesson in detail? Okay. Now read the following sentences. Here you can see, students, three sentences are given. Okay. First is Amit is present in class today. What is our first sentence, students? Amit is present in class today. Next sentence, Amit was present in class yesterday. What is our third sentence? Amit will be present in class tomorrow. Now here three sentences are there. In these three sentences, one word is there, that is in bold. What is that? Is, was, will. Can you see? So the verbs is, was, will be. Here two verbs are there. Okay. Indicate. What they indicate? When Amit is present in class. Okay. It also tells us the time when an action happened or will happen. Means it tells about Amit's present, past and future. It tells when Amit was present in the class. Got it till here, students? Okay, these are the verbs. Okay, is, was, will be. Is. Now in the example first, that is. Again I will repeat, in example 1, that is. Can you see here in example first what is present, which verb is there? Is. It is in which tense, students? Present tense. Why? Because it tells us what Amit is doing in the present time. Understood? Again I will repeat, in our first example, if we will see which verb is there? Is. And is, it shows that it is in present tense. Why? Because it tells us that what Amit is doing in the present time. So finished with this. Now next is what, student? Was, was. Now in example 2, see example 2, which verb is there? Was. So in example 2, was, in which tense it is, students? Yes, it is in past tense. Why? It tells us what Amit did in the past time. Okay, for example, Amit was present in class yesterday. I told you, today, yesterday, tomorrow. Okay, so was tells us, or it indicates what? It is in past tense. Again I will say, was is in past tense. Why? Because what Amit did in the past tense, that it indicates. Now third, in example 3, which verb is there? 2 verbs are there, that is will be. Amit will be present in the class tomorrow. So tomorrow. In example 3, what is there? Will be. So will be is in which tense? Future tense. Why? It tells us what Amit will do in the future time. Understood, students? With the help of these 3 examples, have made you understood what is present tense, past tense and future tense. So what words are used over here? Is, was, will be. So I have told you today, yesterday, tomorrow. These 3 words you have to keep in mind, which will help you to understand what is in present tense, past tense and future tense. I hope that till here you have understood. So again I will ask you, how many types of tense are there, students? Yes, there are 3 tense. What are they? Present tense, past tense and future tense. Now there are different forms of the verb. See, the different forms of the verb be are given below. You have to read them carefully. Why? Because when the sentences are simple present, that time what are the words we have to use? Is, are, am. So for present tense, which verb you are going to use, students? Yes, is, are, am. Now if it is in simple past tense, so what words you are going to use? Was, were. And if it is in future tense, so it always will be, shall be. Understood? Again I will repeat, there are 3 tenses, that is present tense, past tense and future tense. So what are the different forms of verbs which we have to use for these tenses? So if it is in simple present, so what are the verbs which we will use? Is, are and am. And if it is in past tense, we are going to use was, were. And if it is in future tense, we are going to use will be and shall be. Understood till here, students? Okay. Now here one chart is given of 48 words. How they have, and one more thing you have to keep in your mind, that the simple present tense will always be in the original form of the verb. This simple present tense, can you see here? Okay, this will always be in the original form of the verb. This we have to change. As you have learned that in simple past tense, what we are doing? We are adding ed, and for simple future tense, we will always add the word will with the original form of the verb, whatever is given over here. So we can see one chart in page number 53, 54 and 58. If we'll see, now we are going to read once that all that words. Can you see here, students? Yes. So till here, how many words are? 48 words are there. This chart, what you have to do in your book? Make it a big star. And you know, when I tell you to make it big star, means that you have to learn it. Okay, I will make it big. Now we will go through this chart. Okay, why we have to go through this chart? So that we can understand then when there is a original form, how the original form of the verb has been changed into simple past and in simple future. So it will hardly take 5 minutes. So you have to repeat with me. It is very easy. If you want, you can look on the screen, or either you can look in your book also. It's better that you look on the screen. Only when we solve, that time you just look on in your book. Ready? So first, dance. These are, again I will tell, these all simple present tense are in the original form of the verb. Okay. So dance will change into danced, and simple future tense will dance. Can you see this dance? This will be the same as it is in present tense. It will not change into will danced. Okay. Again I will say, when you are adding will to the verb, these verb will be in the original forms. Okay. Ready? Next. Die, died. Will, die. Do, did, will, do. Drink, drank, will, drink. I hope that you are reading along with me. I am not reading alone. Break, broke, will break. Bring, brought, will bring. Buy, bought, will buy. Now can you see the difference between bring and buy? Yes, bring is brought, buy is bought. Blow, past tense of blow is blew, and future is will blow. Next page, page number 54. Get, got, will get. Give, gave, will give. You have to be fast. Go, went, will go. Grow, grieve, will grow. Has, oblique have, had, will have. Hear, heard, will hear. Hide, hid, will hide. Jump, jumped, will jump. Make, made, will make. Meet, met, will meet. Open, opened, will open. Pray, prayed, will pray. Know, live, will know. Leave, left, will live. Can you see the difference how it changes in simple past tense? Okay, so you have to by heart this. Live, lived, will live. Look, looked, will look. Read, read, will read. Ring, rang, will ring. Rise, rose, will rise. Run, ran, will run. Talk, talked, will talk. Take, took, will take. Teach, taught, will teach. Tell, told, will tell. Say, said, will say. See, saw, will see. Shine, shone, will shine. Sing, sang, will sing. Catch, caught, will catch. Come, came, will come. Call, called, will call. Choose, choose, will choose. Fall, fell, will fall. Come to the next page. Fight, fought, will fight. Fly, flew, will fly. Forget, forgot, will forget. Sit, sat, will sit. Sleep, slept, will sleep. Speak, spoke, will speak. Stand, stood, will stand. Now here how many words I told you, students? Yes, there are 48 verbs which has been changed into simple past and simple future. So what you have to do, you have to just read again after this session and you have to learn it, how it has been changed, because many of the verbs are different. It is not that when we turn into past tense that we are going to add ed. Many of the words, spellings, it changes. Future tense is very easy. Why? Because we are going to add only will with the original form of the verb. Only what you have to learn? Yes, you have to learn the past tense. Okay? And one more thing I'll tell you, as how many other I told you? 48. So what you have to do at your home, you have to make a chart. Okay? In that chart, what you will do, you are going to make 7 sevens are 49. Else you can make in one chart. 1, 2, 3, dot 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 till 10. In one chart you can make this 48 words. Like this, how many charts you will make, students? 4 tens are 40 plus here 8 means 5 charts you are going to make. Okay, in that 5 chart, first chart you will write only 1 to 10. That is how much, see, dance, die, do, 3, 4 till give. If you will see, till give, like this chart, 5 charts you are going to make. In that you are going to divide 10, 10, 10, 10, 8 like these words, and daily you stick it in your wall, on your wall, or in your room, anywhere, or on your cupboard, wherever you feel. Daily you have to just go through that word so that it will fit in your mind. Now when you have confirmed with that all that verbs, then only you can identify that in which tense it is. Okay, so till here I hope that you have understood how we have changed the forms in simple past and simple future. Now it is the time to solve our exercise. Now I hope that your book is with you, page number 55. Take pencil in your hand plus eraser as usual. Ready, students, to solve? Okay. What is exercise A? What they have told us, you have to identify the verbs, okay, in a sentence. As I have told, without verb a sentence does not make any sense. Okay, so each sentence is having one verb, so you have to identify that verb, whether it is a one verb, two verb or three verb, and then you have to write the tenses, in which tense it is. Ready? So one they have done for us. Monal polishes her shoes every day. As I have told you, present tense will always be in the original form of the verb. So polishes, this is which tense? Simple present. So they have done for us. Now from second we will start. Jyoti plays the piano very well. So tell me, what is the verb over here? They have told us to identify. We will underline it so that it will be helpful for you afterwards when you will learn or you will solve this. Okay. So Jyoti plays the piano very well. So what is the verb over here, students? It is plays. So in which tense it is? Yes, it is simple present tense. So write in your book, simple present. You have to write along with me. Okay. Next, she was unwell. Now can you tell me what verb is over here? Yes, was. Was comes under which tense? Yes, it is past tense. So simple past. Right over there, simple past. Done with third. Again I will repeat, first one has already been solved, second we have solved now, third also we have solved. Fourth, I planted many trees yesterday. So what is the verb over here, students? Yes, planted, it is the action. So planted, when it has been done? Yesterday. So yesterday will also help us to know that in which tense it is? It is in past tense. And plant is the original form and ed we have been added. So it is a past tense. So which tense it is? simple past. You have to be very fast. Done? Okay. Next, the sun shines in the east. Again I'll repeat the sentence. The sun shines in the east. So what is the verb over here, students? Yes, S-H-I-N-E-S. They have not told us to underline, but still I am doing it. Okay. So shines is what? It is the original form of the verb. So simple present tense. Write only simple present. Done? Next, I will go to school tomorrow. So, yes, will go. Will go is what? Yes, will indicates the future tense. And tomorrow also tells us that still the action has not been done. So, which verb, which tense it is? Simple future. Done, students? I hope that you are understanding what I am teaching you. Next, we were at the party yesterday. Yesterday means what? Yes, means the action has been done. And also, which is the verb over here? Were. So it is simple past. So what you have to do, students, when you read the sentence, you should try to understand it when the action has been done. Next, 8. The baby slept till 10 a.m. So what is the action over here? Verb slept. Slept is yes, simple past. So what is the original form of that verb for slept? Sleep. She wanted your grammar book. ED. Yes or no? They have not told when she wanted. Only they have told she wanted your grammar book. So ED has been added to the verb want. So it is again simple past. Next, Neeta will return the book after 2 weeks. So yes, very good. Why? Will return is the action which still she is going to do after 2 weeks. So will tells us that it is in a future tense. Simple future tense. Done, students, with all the 10 examples? Again I will repeat. Second is simple present, third is simple past, again fourth is simple past, fifth is simple present, sixth simple future, seventh past, eighth past, ninth past, and 10th is future. Done it in a neat way? Okay. Now come to exercise B. I'll rub that, students. Okay. I hope that you have completed this exercise A. Those who have not done, you try on your own afterwards. Okay. What is exercise B? Now they have told that you have to underline the verbs in the following story and write their tenses. Underline the verbs. Here one story has been given, and then when you just underline it, so what you have to do? You have to write the tense. Now here only just one example I will tell you. One day Nasiruddin sneaked. Sneaked is what? Simple. So just write here simple past. Only one I have done for you. This you do it for homework. Okay. So this way what you have to do, you have to underline it on the top S dot. If it is past, write past. If it is present, write present. If it is future, write it future. Okay. This is homework. Okay, we'll come on to next page. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of verbs given in brackets. The tenses are also mentioned. fill in the blanks. What here they have told, here we have to fill the blanks with the correct form of the verbs. Here verbs are given in the brackets, and the tenses also they have told that in which tense it will come over here. Now the first one, I dash to school every day. What is the verb given over here? Walk. And what is the tense we have to change? Simple present. And as I have told you, in simple present we have to write the original form. So the walk will come as it is, walk. So write there, I walk to school every day. Done? Next, he dash some beautiful pictures. What is the word given in bracket? Paint. What you have to do? In simple past. So what I am going to do? What is the simple past of paint? Yes, it is painted. Only you have to add ed. Now Mitali dash lay for the rehearsal. What is in bracket? Is. What we have to do? In past. What is the past of is? Yes, was. Understood? Okay. Fourth, he dashed to the stadium at 10 a.m. Come. What you have to do? In future. What is the verb? Come. So future what we are doing? Yes, we are writing will, and the original form is as it is, you have to copy. Will come. He will come to the stadium at 10 a.m. Done, students? Okay. Fifth, the children dash to the beats of the drum. Dance. What you have to do? It is simple past. What is the simple past of dance? Yes, danced. So D-A-N-C-E-D. The remaining 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 you have to do. Only the 10th one I will tell you. I dash a student of class 4th. It is. You have to make it in simple present. So what is the original form of is? Are you going to write is over here? No, because in the last lesson of grammar, verbs, I have told you that subject and verb should agree. So I is it correct? No. So I am. So remaining this, you have to do it. Done? Now we'll move to the last, that is exercise D. You have to change the tenses. What you have to do? Of the underlined verbs as directed. Here they have given the verbs, and these tenses you have to change into the whatever they have direction they have given. Now lives. Lives is in which tense? Yes, it is in present tense. Now in which tense I am going to change? I am going to change it into past tense. So how I am going to do? Only they have told us to change it. They have not told us to rewrite the sentence. So what I am going to do? I will just write over here. Lives. So simple past tense? Yes. L-I-V-E-D. Lived. Goldilocks was a little girl. What is the present of was? Is. I go for a morning walk. Past of go? Went. You have to be fast. I came back late from school. What is the future tense of came? Will? Yes. Will come. You are not going to write will came. Okay. We have to write the original form of the verb. This is a past tense. Okay. Fifth, the old man looks after the garden. Looks is present tense. We are going to change into future tense. So what is the future? Yes, the old man will look after the garden. And in this way we have finished with our exercise D. Okay, I know I was fast, but you have to try on your own if you have missed it. Now see here, let's revise. Here one activity is given. What you have to do? Here you have to paste your current picture, and here you have to paste a picture when you were a baby. Okay, and here you can draw as you feel that in future your face will be or how you will look. So here in this way we have finished with our today's lesson, that is lesson number 16, present, past and future. We'll just see the animation part.
And future tenses. Read the following sentences. Amit is present in class today. Amit was present in class yesterday. Amit will be present present in class tomorrow. The verb is, was, will be indicate when Amit is present in class. It tells us the time when an action happens, happened, or will happen. In example 1, is in the present tense, since it tells us what Amit was doing in the present time. In example 2, was is in the past tense, since it tells us what Amit did in the past time. In example 3, will be is in the future tense, since it tells us what Amit will do in the future time. There are 3 tenses: present tense, past tense, future tense. The different forms of the verb be are given below. Read them carefully. Simple present, simple past tense, simple future tense, is, are, am, was, were, will be, shall be. Let us read the simple present, simple past and simple future tense forms of some verbs. Simple present tense, simple past tense, simple future tense. Dance, dance.
This already we have done.
Have. Will pray. Will look. To take. Said. Will say. See. Will come. Call. Will fight. Fly. Flew. Will fly. Stand. Let's revise. I talk about actions in the past. Past. I talk about actions in the present. Present. I talk about actions in the future. Future.
So in this way we have finished with our 16th lesson, that is present, past and future tense, and I hope that you have understood the tenses in detail very clearly. So whatever work I have given you, that to make chart, so it is not necessary that you have to make chart. You can also use 4 papers. In that you have to write all the 10 words, simple present, past and future. And also I have given you homework, that is exercise B. Just read that paragraph, underline wherever you feel that is verb and write on the top which tense it is. Okay, thank you, have a good day.